Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again my DJ fans. Today in this video, I'm going to open a LOL surprise. Then let's move to the video. Oh, here is our LOL surprise. Wow, 5 surprises. LOL. That is number 13. Oh, here is the side to open. Wow, what a cute mini little surprise. Oh my gosh, 7 surprises. Wow, J fam. Now, let's open the first layer with the seed. Wow, G fans! Oh my gosh, what a beautiful second layer! Now we open up the third layer. Why is it get very hard to open the fourth layer? Oh, what another layer? Very boring. Now, J fans, we are going to open the plastic bowl. Wow, what cute surprises. We have a cute little doll and a little handle and a little water bottle, little blue sparkling crown, and also we have a list of dolls. Now let's cut this polythene packet to get the surprises. The boots are pasted to the doll's body. And now, let's connect this doll's body and the doll's head. And now, this guy needs to dress up the doll. Wow, after dress up, the doll is very cute. Oh no, the crown is too big. The bottle is made of rubber. Now, let's check the list. Oh my god, the doll is not in the list. Now, let's check whether the doll is a color changer. Oh no, she is not a color changer, but if her eyes, it will be turned into pink. let's fix this 100 ticket box. All done! Now, this is the end. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel